Adding a second tail onto the back of the bow is very simple. Now when tying this type of bow with a center loop, you want to make sure you put the chenille stem through that first loop you made, and then make sure the chenille stem is going through the center of the rest of it so your loops stay in place. If you don't want to cut a V at the end of your ribbons, you can simply tuck them under like this. Sometimes they will come undone though. Unrolling the spool, you can see where they had sealed two pieces of ribbon together. I'm going to have to cut that off. This plaid ribbon is really pretty, but it's difficult to work with. It's very flimsy. A stiffer ribbon is going to make a prettier bow, and it's going to be easier to work with. With all these tails and loops, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to find the center, but just keep working it and make sure that you get that chenille stem wrapped around the entire center so you don't lose any of those loops.